Center, food court. I got Nate and I got Eric. And I also got this Clear Vision for $38. So I'm gonna bust this open. Here's my key.
What are you hoping to get out of there, Mikey?
I don't know, some low numbered card, I guess.
Jerry Rice, 1-of-1 autograph patch.
Yeah, it's empty.
Wow, it's only what? How many packs?
It's only 6.
6 packs?
Well, this one's a thick one, so that'll be last. So, bust it open right here, right now. It's only 3 cards in a pack.
Crappy video footage for the win.
Elliott's here. I will.
I'm trying to eat my ice cream. That's how the video footage sucks. There goes Mikey busting in.
I'm gonna keep this wrapper. Then we got an Eli Manning. Now these will have different designs, different patterns. Oh, nice.
Kind of like Topps.
Oh, here we go. Look at this. Clear Airs. Well, it's Jimmy Garoppolo and Tom Brady. Number 79.
Very nice. 5/79.
There you
Nice
go.
pull, Mikey. What do you think that one goes
Here
for?
we got, I don't know, maybe 20? I don't know. Mike Evans. Mike Evans there. Pretty cool. But who's going to be the quarterback in week 4?
Don't fill my ice cream, man. You're going to take out all the flavor.
I know. Eric's slow at eating his, man.
All right, we got Cam Newton, Superman. And we got Rob Gronkowski. He's not playing this week. Once again,
Why not?
I don't know. It's probably got the injury. And oh well, he ain't gonna be playing anymore this season. It's a red parallel of Teddy Bridgewater out of 49.
Why isn't he playing?
Leg injury. He had to be carted off before. Yeah, it was during practice.
I'm not even during a game. That sucks.
Yeah. Luckily, the trainers helped him off. Otherwise, he may not even have a leg. All right, number 3. Star John Elway,
Wow.
Hall of Famer.
Those are like the top spec, huh?
Yep. Next one. Oh, well, we got Joe Montana.
Nice.
Oh, is he with the Chiefs? Oh.
With the Chiefs.
What a waste of a card.
Sorry, he's not
Come
with
on.
the 49ers. And the number card is Devonta Freeman out of 29.
Who's that?
And he's running back for the Falcons. But of course, he's sharing a little bit of time with Tevin Coleman.
Any good?
Yeah, he's all right. This is the gold parallel. So we got those out of the way. Haven't got no major hit yet. I'm saving it for last. This here's hit number 1.
Or you know there's a hit in there?
Yeah, I kind of felt the pat.
Are you searching your own box, Mikey?
Yeah, Rod Woodson. There's Rod Woodson there. And the next one, Aaron Donald, my Rams. Aaron Donald. Got a dummy. No hit here.
Nate's trying as hard as he can. Okay? Don't call him a dummy.
Oh man, these guys are clowning him.
They got this Bear rookie. I don't know him.
Is that thing numbered?
He has number 999.
Oh man. Nice hit.
Nice hit. It's a 1 of 1.
Maybe I should just sign it.
That's what you get for pack switching, Mikey.
eBay 1 of 1.
Yeah. I think they lied to me. I was supposed to get more hits. We got Steve Young. Well, at least he's in a Niner jersey, not in a Tampa Bay jersey. Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be fun if they had.
Devarius Thomas.
Nice.
Alright.
Next time you got to go for the skinny packs.
Yeah, there's the dummy
Man, 2
card.
hits.
Kenny Clark, $9.99. Ooh. Well, they
There better really be a hit in that one.
there better be a hit or I got nothing. It's extra thick. It is something. It's something.
Oh,
This
don't
time it
forget
is.
smile.
Oh, but we got a Bo Jackson. Fight on 52.
All right.
Card looks cool with the silver and the black.
Yeah, that is a sweet card.
Next one, Andrew Luck.
All right.
He's all right.
He's an okay football player.
Let's see what we got
I've
here.
heard of him at least.
It's not bad. Clear change, clear vision of Duke Johnson Jr. See my finger? There it is.
Shout out to Ricky, right?
Yeah, shout out to
See
Ricky.
the finger?
So, it's my finger.
There's a background.
99, $13.99.
Eric?
Nice. I like the Bo Jackson and Steve Young, Steve Young.
All right, pretty good break for Mikey.
Oh yeah. So that's
All right.
it, and that's all. Thank you. Thank you for watching Mikeline here on the Global Satellite Network.
Thank you for watching Mikeline here on Baseball Card Junkies TV.
Yeah.
Speaking of